Hey Glam Dolls, I am so excited to be here with you all today, and as you've seen in the title of this video, LA Colors have now launched their 3D faux mink eyelashes, talking about giving you that mink eyelash look without that mink eyelash cost. LA Colors came all the way through for us Glam Dolls, okay? Now these are available in select Walmart stores, and guess what? I'm showing you this one pair, but they got 6 different pairs for you to choose from, okay? 6 different pairs, and I'm so excited to be here with you all to share it with you today. Now, before I get into applying one of these pairs, I at least want to show you what they're looking like up close. So dolls, here is what the eyelashes is looking like up close, and OMG, I love each and every one of them. They're soft, they're wispy, reusable, have a flexible band, and did I mention they're only $4? Yes, and available at select Walmart stores. They're giving you the natural layered effect, and they super comfortable. I mean, who else is going to give it to you like this? LA Colors, that's who. So now that you've seen the eyelashes up close, I decided to go with the pair called Tristan, which looks like this right here. And I will be using my Sassy and Chic eyelash glue, which came from my local Dollar Tree. I keep telling you all to stop sleeping products that are sold in your local Dollar Tree. So let me get this out of the packaging. Okay, dolls, so I'm looking at them and they feel so soft. OMG, they feel very, very, very soft. And so far, where it says it has a flexible band, you see that movement right there? That is what you call a flexible eyelash, okay? So it already has a little bit of glue already on it, but like I said, I'm going to add just a little bit more. And these are they shorter than what I typically tend to wear, but I believe that this is going to give me a more realistic and natural look, okay? So I'm applying just a little bit of glue, but this time I'm actually going to show you dolls how I apply them. So I'm going to give it a little blow, because you got to get it tacky. So when I apply my lashes, I'm going to start off by saying it's just a way in which I do it. My way is not the only way, but it's a way. I'm going to show you how I apply my eyelashes. So now that that's nice and tacky looking, here we go. I'm going to hold my, I'm going to go like this. Like this. Get it on there. Like this. Oh man, these are blending right into my lash. That's already a major plus for me. They are blending right on in very easily. Look how I look right now. I look crazy. Go like this. Bend that one downward. And voila. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely, ooh, ooh, ooh. You see it? You see the difference? I see a difference. I see a difference. Ooh, ooh. Let me put the other one on and come right back. Not bad. I am impressed. I mean, what do you dolls think? I see a difference. And like it said, it has a flexible band. It was super easy for me to apply it onto my eyes. They're not hard or stiff, so they're flexible. They're super soft. They're super lightweight, okay? They look very natural, if you ask me. And to say all that for only $4, LA Colors came all the way through. So now I'm going to add a little bit of my Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics Lippy, you know. Just a little bit of that. And as I apply our lipstick, this pretty much is concluding the video. I really like these eyelashes, and like I said, they are available in select Walmart stores. I do suggest you dolls get your hands on them, because they are definitely worth you looking into. Oh, and another thing I almost forgot. OMG, where are they? right here. They also released some new artificial nails. Hello, if you are an official glam doll, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know my obsession with LA Colors, okay, and you know my obsession with artificial nails, and they now have some new artificial nails that have launched just the same, and these are so cute. This is the neon collection, and you're getting 5 different nails for you to be able to choose from. So I'm just going to quickly share and show them to you all. These are the neon version. Now these are going to be in select Walmart stores too, so you need to get yourself up in Walmart, okay? They have this color right here, which is the flames, okay? It's like a bright neon orange. They got that one right there. They have this one, which is called highlight, and I kid you not, this really do look like a highlighter, so I might wear these tomorrow because I gotta wig this color. Anyhow, these are called highlight. You got the regular easy peasy green, okay, looking like some money, some easy peasy. Then we have Cosmopolitan, which I don't know who names these stuff, but they got such a cool job at naming stuff. This is called Cosmopolitan, and this one is called Fly High, and that was the neon collection. And the last collection I have to share with you, again, you're getting 5 pairs, and these are available with the eyelashes in select Walmart stores. I keep telling you all, stop sleeping. LA Colors Cosmetics, they stay coming through. This is the nail vibe collection as far as the artificial nails go, and this is called Unicorn Days. That looks like this right here. This is so cute. It's like an ombre-esque looking color, and it has faux diamonds on it. This one is my favorite. This looks so cute. This is called Marvelous. So cute, so chic. Yes, I like this one. Oh, you can't go wrong with animal print. You can't go wrong with it. This is called Chic and Cheetah, and it's a gorgeous neutral design, but it gives you some pizzazz with some cheetah print nails too. So look at that. So cute, so cute. LA Colors, if you're watching this video, who names your stuff? I would love to get on that team when it comes to naming your products. So the last 2 I have to share with you, this is called Free Spirited. Looks like this right here, Free Spirited. And the last absolute one is called Mermaid Dream, which looks like this right here. And it looks like the scales of like a mermaid or something like that. So that's a real cute design. And on that note, dolls, now this really does conclude the video. As I said earlier in this video, pick up your faux mink eyelashes. LA Colors is giving you the mink eye look without the mink eye look cost, because they're only $4, and like I keep saying throughout this video, they're in select Walmart stores. So on that note, dolls, I'm gonna get out of here and begin my day with my faux mink eyelashes, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.